So today, this came in the mail, and this is the 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. Yes, the new one, and this just shipped to me in Manila. Good afternoon, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. So first of all, this isn't a video I planned. When the 13-inch 2020 MacBook Pro arrived at my doorstep this morning, it's here! I decided that, you know what? I'm gonna shoot a quick video so that I can take you with me because I'm so excited. I am so happy. So long story short, I've not had my own laptop since January. Yup. The laptop I've been using, it went swimming. It's a very long and painful story. Maybe I'll talk about it on the part 2 video of the MacBook Pro. But yeah, my laptop went swimming and it died. So since January, I've been borrowing laptops, squatting on my dad's laptop, trying to figure out different and weird ways just so I can edit my videos and get videos out. I'm just super happy that my dad is also a MacBook user, and that's how and why I've been able to edit the last few videos. Thanks, Tatay. And yeah, finally, this baby is here and I cannot wait to open this up. But before we open this up, just a little bit of patience, you guys. Let's talk about how you can get your own 13-inch 2020 MacBook Pro if you're based in Manila. And yes, I got this from the official Apple website. Okay, so first of all, what you should know is that even if the new MacBook has launched everywhere else in the world, and in the US it was available immediately the day after it was announced, in the Philippines, in Manila, it doesn't work that way. Another thing you should know is that in the Philippines, there are no official physical Apple stores. What we have are authorized resellers, and yes, you can buy original MacBook products there, but they also source from Apple Singapore, Apple Hong Kong, which is where I got this laptop too. And yes, I did ask the physical Apple reseller here how they order their MacBooks, and basically it's the same thing. They go online, they order the MacBook for you. The only difference would be if you go straight to apple.com.ph, which is what I did, you'll end up having to pay in full. On the other hand, if you go to Apple resellers in the Philippines, the process is usually you pay a down payment. In my case, when I asked them, it was 50% of the price, and then the rest of the amount you can pay when the laptop arrives. And there are 0% credit card promos, so that's always a plus. Now, why did I opt to get from apple.com.ph if that's the case? Well, for one, I always like going straight to Apple. I just find that it's a process that's easier, and I also know that my dad has previously ordered from this website, so I knew that it would be a quick and painless experience. 2, there is also what you call the education discount. If you order straight from Apple stores, which includes apple.com.ph, you are able to get a discount if you have an education email, meaning if you're a professor or a student, there is a discount for you, no questions asked. Lucky for me, my dad is also a professor, so there's that. Now here was the problem. Like I said earlier, from Manila, these MacBooks take a hot second to be available. So the launch happened on May 4, and finally, after checking the website religiously day after day in the interim, I wasn't even the one who noticed that it was available. I got a DM because I've been tweeting about needing a MacBook for so long. People actually knew I was waiting for it. On July 7, it was finally available online. So I just went on the website, ordered the laptop. According to the website estimates, the laptop was supposed to get to me on July 30. Today, it is July 21. So basically, that was around a 2-week wait time. Take note though that I did not customize this laptop, so that means it's faster to ship out. And also, I made sure of this. The Apple guy from Singapore who I talked to assured me that there would not be any additional custom and delivery fees. Because guys, I kid you not, and I say this from experience, it's really hard to deal with customs if you're trying to get stuff in, especially smartphones and laptops. So yeah, it basically took 2 months from the time that these laptops were announced by Apple for it to be available on the apple.com.ph website. And then it took another 2 weeks to ship to me from Singapore. Just add quickly though that also getting your MacBook Pro from the Apple website also means spending around $400 more compared to if you buy it from the US. Now, no one's traveling anytime soon, so there really wasn't a choice here. But here's the thing, again, you don't pay for customs or shipping anymore, so that about like evens it out. And as of the day I shot and edited this video, Power Mac Center didn't have any updates on release dates on the 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. Now we can finally unbox. This is the moment I've been waiting for like months now. Months, I tell you. Oh my god, it's finally here! Guys, I sort of wanna cry. Ooh, yay! Okay, nothing else in this box, but it's good to see that it was like protected with these like bumper things. Wait, what is this? And my love letter to myself. Guys, you know, love yourself, reward yourself. Honestly, this laptop is the most expensive thing I've ever bought in my life. I'm a cheap person, you guys, but I'm thinking this is part of my investment for work, so yeah. And I mean investment because up until like 2012, I was using a 2009 MacBook Pro, so yeah. Here we go. So MacBook Pro up here, and then here it says 13-inch MacBook Pro, Retina LED backlit display, Intel Core i5, 16 gig of memory, 1 terabyte SSD, yes, all that storage, Intel Iris Plus graphics, USB-C ports, headphone jack, touch bar. This is my first touch bar MacBook. Backlit keyboard, Bluetooth 5, oh my god, it's so heavy. FaceTime HD cameras, and yeah, oh my gosh, the weight is, this is 3.1 pounds, so wow. Yay, my new baby. Right, so we have here USB-C cord, a love letter from Apple, paper stuff, ooh, Apple stickers, not like I've ever read any of these, power brick, oh my god, ooh, that's white now, nice. Guys, I'm so happy. Let's set this baby up. Oh my gosh, look. Wow, that's a big trackpad. Ooh, I've never had this before. Wow. Those keys. What is my Apple ID password? Got the code on my iPhone. Ooh, I've never had this. Guys, it's finally happened. I have a laptop. This is mine. So this is the laptop that I've been borrowing from my dad. This is, I think, a 2019 MacBook Air, and this is my new baby. Like, first of all, and this is something that I'm not used to. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? Touch ID. There. So I've not used a laptop with Touch ID before. I mean, even with the Air, everything sorta looks the same, although this is not a touch bar version. I finally have a touch bar. What this thing is actually for, I still have no idea, but we'll see how I like it. I mean, it's cool. Wait, what else does it do? Okay, I don't know. And also, I cannot stress this enough. The keys are back. The keys are back. They're nice and bouncy. They don't feel like it's too flat, like the newer, like, is it called butterfly? Yeah, the butterfly keyboard. Personally, I didn't mind the new keyboards. They never gave me any trouble, but I mean, this still feels better. So what I got was the 4th tier. This is a Core i5 16 gig RAM laptop and 1 terabyte of storage. As God is my witness, I will never run out of storage again. I mean, I probably would, but you get the idea. I'm not done setting this up, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be trying to edit this particular video on the laptop. Excited? Okay, some necessary things to do. Turning on tap to click because my God, that thing is a lifesaver. And then more gestures. I want to find 3-finger drag. Where's 3-finger drag? Okay, we're good. Living the dongle life. This one is from STM Goods. I'll link it down below. But yeah, there are two USB-C ports on the left. Wait, right? No, my left. And then another 2 on the right, plus the audio port. That is more than my old laptop had, so I like that. It just dawned on me that I don't even need a hard drive to edit on anymore. So I used to edit on a hard drive, but now I have space. Right, so I'm transferring files, but I'm just trying this out. I have not been on photo booth since ever. Like, wow, I was in college the last time I played around with photo booth, but I wanted to show you guys what the quality of the laptop webcam and audio sounds like. So one webcam, it's okay, so, but I will say that I just learned this also. The mics on MacBooks are really good, so they're really great to use when you do like online meetings. The last few times that I talked to people online, I used wireless buds, and I realized that I probably should have been using my MacBook because these things have nice mics on them versus the truly wireless earphones you've been using. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll have more to say about my new baby, but I just wanted to show you guys this video and get this out real quick because I'm so excited. Finally have a laptop, guys, and I have not had one since January. Right. Let me know what your questions are about this and my experience. I'll probably talk about what actually happened to my original laptop and how it went swimming on the second video, and how this laptop compares to the other Macs I've used, because I've used a lot because I've been squatting and jumping and borrowing laptops. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, if you want to watch me not shut up about how I have my own laptop to work on finally, you can find me online. That's at @CisaSaid. Until next time, you guys. We're gonna be together forever.